Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Princess Truly, I Am Brave by Kelly Greenawalt, art by Amariah Rauscher. Let's go camping. I am Princess Truly. I am brave, smart, and strong. We are going camping. Ty wants to come along. Off to the woods we go. We have a lot to take. We walk down the long trail and set up by the lake. First, we put up tent. Then it's time to unpack. Next, we build a fire and make a yummy snack. Ooh! Let's go out and explore. Sir Noodles finds a cave. I want to go outside, but Ty does not feel brave. Ty does not like the dark. He wants to leave right now. Ty will not go inside. No way, no thanks, no how. I have a great idea. My curls begin to glow. I hold his hand real tight. Into the cave we go. We find a hidden lake. We climb the waterfall. Ty does not feel afraid. He is brave after all. Hiccups. I have the hiccups bad. I want to make them go. I fill my cheeks with hair. I let it out real slow. Ty has a great idea. He will scare them away. But I am just too brave. I think they're here to stay. Lizards do not scare me. I think big bugs are neat. I'm not afraid of snakes. I think spiders are sweet. Sir Noodles will help Ty. They hide behind a tree. When I walk in the woods, they jump out to scare me. Roar! Achoo! You two cannot trick me. I am too brave to scare. But what is up the hill? Look out! There is a bear. Roar. I jump and then I yell. My hiccups go away. Brave girls can get scared too. That bear cub saved the day. A spooky story. It's time to go to bed. The stars and moon shine bright. We tell spooky stories and then we say good night. Good night. We climb into our tent. I toss and turn around. Creak. Then I see a shadow and hear a creepy sound. Who is there? Ty whispers, what is that? Sir Noodles start to shake. It looks big and scary. It's over by the lake. I am a brave princess. My magic curls shine bright. I climb out of the tent and head into the night. Is it a lake monster? The shadow is growing. I shine my red flashlight. I see two eyes glowing. It is not a monster. It is just a big frog. He sticks out his long tongue. He jumps off on his log. I hear a scary noise. I shine my light to see. Something strange is moving. It tries to follow me. Is it a lake monster? Is it another frog? I giggle when I see it's just my dirty dog. Mm-hmm. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time.